Welcome to another video, and today we are going to do past paper question 2021 for textile clothing and fashion paper 1. So let's go with our first question. All right, I'm going to make it quick. Question number 1, which of the following term is describe fabric that has been joined by it? And if your answer is D, then you are correct. So let us do that nicely. Let's go to number 2, which are the following tests are used to identify the fiber content in fabric. And they gave us 3 options: burning, chemical, color fastness. And if your answer is burning and chemical, you're correct. So your answer will be A. All right, let's go to number 3. Which of the following describe a filament fiber? And if your answer is B, then you are correct. Let's highlight that one. Number 4, regenerated fiber are made from what? And they gave us 4 options again. And if your answer is A, then you're correct. Let's go to number 5 quickly. Which of the following is produced by fiber? Which of the following is produced when fiber are twisted? So that's number 5. So if your answer is yarn, then you're correct. That's B. Let's go to number 6. Cotton and linen are comfortable to wear in warm weather because they are both what? So if your answer is D, absorbent, then you're correct. Let's go to number 7. Which of the following processes is used to produce? Let's go with number, let's go with the letter C, bonding. Number 7 is C, is bonding. Let me highlight that properly. Very good. Let's go to number 8. When choosing a pair of scissors for a dressmaker, which of the following tests should be carried out? All right, they give us 3 options. So, cut stiff brown paper, cut several type of fabric, cut fabric with the entire blade. First of all, we should not cut paper or anything with our shear that we use as a dressmaker. All right, so if your option is C, then you are correct here. Very good. All right, let's go to number 9. Mercialization is a treatment given to cotton to add what? So if your answer is A, then you are correct. All right, let's go to number 10. Which of the following fabric is most suitable for auto mechanic uniform? So you know they have a lot of grease. So number 10 will be D. It's good for soil, any soil on the fabric. All right, number 11. Which of the following most accurately describe the importance of textiles, sorry. So if your answer is A, then you're correct. They are used for all aspects of our everyday life. Number 12. Which of the following are natural fiber? So that's A, cotton and linen. This one is easy. Let's go to number 13. Remove the cursor. Which of the following is the best method of caring for a polyester knit blouse after each wear? Number 13, if your answer is C, then you are correct. Let's go to number 14. Number 14, they gave us an image, and we have to look at the image pattern. So it says, which of the following techniques can be used to produce the pattern above? And they gave us batiking, printing, tie-dyeing. So number 14 will be A. That's A, 1 and 2. Yeah, very good. So number 15, which of the following fabric is made from knitting? That's D, jersey. All right, so let's go to number 16. We are almost there, or we're in the middle. Number 16, which of the following tools are needed for altering a shirt that is too tight but as a large seam allowance. So number 16 is C. All right. Let's go to number 17. They gave us an image. And they say the question is the garment reflect the culture. Which culture you think this one is? That's number 17. African culture, yeah? Hope you get that one right. Number 18. When laundering clothing, soaking is done in order to do what? Number 18. A, to loosen the dirt. That's why we soak our clothes, all right? Number 19. Fabric one chosen to make a flare and gradation dress. Which of the following characteristics justify the choice of this fabric? All right, number 19 will be drape well. So that's letter A, sorry. Which of the following term is best decorate using dry grass? So number 20, your answer should be D. Number 21, when choosing fabric for person who are tall and slim, it's best to avoid what? What do you think? Vertical line, okay? All right, so that's B. 22, cotton clothes that are stored before being thoroughly dry will most likely to be affected by what? So number 22 is mildew. The answer is B here. I'm not sure what happened, but the answer is B. That's mildew. Let's go to number 23. So the answer is B. Number 23. Number 23, dye are primarily classified as what? 23 is A. 24, which of the following fabric can be easily dyed at home using hot water? 24 is C, acrylic knit. 25, which of the following are placed on a sleeve pattern as guide for the correct insertion of the finished sleeve into an armhole. So number 25 is C, dot and notches. 26, all right, number 26, refer to the ability of fiber to stretch. So it have elastic. Number 26 will be B, to retain its new shape. 27, a notion is described as what? What is a notion? So number 27, it's D. Number 28, which of the following employee is responsible for selecting the color and fabric for a new line clothing? So number 28 is A, designer. 29, which of the following statement define the term soft furnishing? So number 29 is B. Number 30, which of the following properties would most important when purchasing a swimwear? So number 30 is C, you want it to stretch. 31, a cocoon is used in the production of what? So a cocoon will be silk. You know the silkworm, yeah? All right, so let's go to number 31. They gave us a pattern, a figure, the diagram of a summer dress, and the question, the main point of emphasis on this dress is what? So that's 32. That's D. And 33. Which of the following would most suitable for? All right, so let me see what is the answer for this one. 33 will be C. So we're pressing cloth and steam iron. That will be the answer. 34, which are the following labels? So we have some labels, care labels. Which are the following is suitable for cleaning instruction? 34 is A. All right, 35, which are the um refer item 35 refer to the following front and back pattern of a bodice. And they gave us an image and they say to label S. What do you think S is for number 35? And that will be the waistline right here. S will be the waistline. So let's try and highlight B. 36. Which of the following statement explain the main difference between soap and detergent? What's the difference between soap and detergent? 36 is D. Yeah, so we're saying that soap are made from natural ingredients while detergent are made from synthetic sources. 37. Which of the following skills are most important for a tailor in a small garment factory? 37 will be C, design and pattern making. 38. Which of the following sleeve require that the crown be raised when drafting? So that's 38. 38 will be B. That's bishop. 39. The best water to use in a steam iron is what? 39. D. Distilled water. 40. They give us an item as well. And they're saying which of the following opening is illustrate the diagram. So 40 is B. 41. Which of the following is recess? Which of the following is to recess? Recessed design method in which hot wax is put onto a fabric. So 41 will be A, batik. 42, they give us a diagram as well, a symbol, which appeared to be on a care label. Sorry. The symbol mean, what is the symbol that represent 42? So 42 will be C. 43, which of the following tool is used? Which of the following tool is used to shape the side seam of a tailor's skirt pattern? 43 is C. So we're talking about the hip curve. 44, they gave us a diagram as well. They gave us 3 parts. And they're saying which are the following knots. And these are the notches, right? 1, 2. They have double here, single here, single here. So which of the following notches should be matched? All right, so that's 44. That is C. All right, so yeah. So you have 2 with a 2 notch matching the 5. All right. All right, let's go to number 45. 45. Which of the following family groups are likely to wear formal pants and an elastic waistband? That's 45, which is A, elderly and toddler. All right, let's go quickly, almost there. 46. Which of the following quantity are important when selecting fabric for curtain? And they gave us 3 option: brightly color, resistant to sunlight, resistant to shrinkage. So 46 will be C. All right, number 47, a card dead seam is the most popular seam which is used for soft furnishing because it is what? 47 is C, decorative and durable. 48, which are the following, which chemical, a chemical which is being stored in the clothing laboratory in both toxic and flammable, okay? Which of the following hazard warning symbol should be placed on the container? And they gave us 5 options. All right, so let us see. 48 is what? 48 will be B, 1 and 3. All right, 49, they gave us a diagram again, and they're asking about the X, where you have X right here, where my cursor is moving, what it represents on the diagram. So 49 will be B, because it's a dart. Yeah, right here. Good. All right, 50, which of the following qualities is least important in upholstery fabric? That's number 50 is D. All right. Let's go to 51. They gave us a diagram, 4 diagram as well. Let me show you the diagram 1, 2, 3, and 4. Which of the following section illustrate a complete color ready for attachment? So for 51 will be B. All right, so B, this one, will be ready for attachment. All right, good. 52, which of the label section showed machine stitch? So you have to go back and see which one of them show machine stitch. That's 52. That's C. This one shows machine stitch. All right, 52 is C. All right, let's go highlight that one. 54, which of the following measurement is used to draft a convertible collar? 53 is B for the neck and the shoulder. 54, which of the following could cause the top thread of the stitch to break while machining? All right, so 54 is B. The tension may be too tight. That's 54 is B. Okay. 55. Which of the following treatment should be applied to a person with chemical burn? So a person have chemical burn, we should be C. That will be the answer. Flush with the area with water immediately. All right, 56. Which of the following description related to a scattered cushion, and gave us some option here. And our answer for 56 will be C. All right, 57, almost there. Which of the following groups include soft furnishing for windows only? That's 57 is A. Valance, yeah. 58. Which of the following duties could be carried out in the garment industry? So that's 58. That will be D, ensuring the standards are met. 59. Which of the following method of storage would be best to prevent mildew from forming on a white linen suit? 59 is C. And our final one, a pad which is used for pressing curved seam, is called what? A tailor's ham. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you learned something today, and all the best in your examination. I hope this helped. Bye.